During your React interview, our interviewer can easily confuse you if you don't know about this JavaScript concept. So let me explain you the question first, and then you will understand the answer and the reason behind it. So here I have one state which initial value is 0, and then I have one handle click function which I am calling on this button click, and inside this I am calling set timeout, and after every 1000 millisecond I am updating the state by 1. So the question here is, if you click on this button 3 times quickly, what will be the final output after 1 second? So let's check that. So if I click this button 3 times quickly, then if you say the answer will be 3, the count will be 3, then that is not correct. So let's check that. So you can see the output is still 1. But I clicked 3 times on the button quickly, so ideally this function ran 3 times, so count should be 3, but that was not. So here the concept of stale closure comes into the picture. If you don't know about closure, quickly I can tell you, a closure is if any function remember the variable from the scope where it was created, even after that scope has finished executing. So the inner function keep the access to those variables, not their latest value, but the exact binding it captured at the time. So here exactly what is happening, it is creating a stale closure. So due to that, I'm getting 1 instead of 3. So initially when this line will run, the count was 0. And after that, when this handle click work, inside this set timeout, I am calling another function. So here it is creating a closure. So in this set timeout, my count is remembering the initial value, that is 0. So if my function call 3 times quickly, it will always remember the count as 0 only. So here in JavaScript, this concept is called stale closure. So in JavaScript, a function remember the variable from the scope it was created. Even though the counter later changed, the callback still use the old value. So to fix that, you need to use functional form of set state instead of this one. So you can say something like this. So now save the changes and check. If I will click 3 times, it will update the counter to 3. Because every time whenever my callback will run, it will always point to the latest state. So just to conclude, because the callback closes over the old value of count, React doesn't magically rebind variable inside closure. So to fix it, you should use functional update like this. So React always give you the latest state. Thanks for watching and follow me for more React tips.